Hi everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is 7th day of my 90-day challenge of spoken English. So I'm going to take a specific topic as I do in my this challenge, and so I can speak regularly for improving my skills. So before starting speaking on that particular topic, I want to tell you one thing that I am taking those topics, those creates hurdles in the journey of spoken English. So I took two topics in my previous two videos. So those was hesitation and consistency. Okay, so these are the things, like we need to we have to be we have to be consistent while doing any work. Okay, so if we continue with something, continue with that particular work, so we can feel that proficiency in us. So it is the like consistency is the best thing to do anything. And the second thing is hesitation. Okay, like hesitation is just a negative thing, it's just a doubt, so we have to be remove it. So these two topics I took. So now today's topic is confidence. Okay, so and I want to tell you one thing also before starting my speech. So that I'm just telling you one thing. What I do before making video, I just google these, I just search on Google, like what is hesitation. Actually, I read about these problems. Okay, first, then I speak, because of course I have to know that on these topics I'm going to speak and I'm going to speak. Then I will have to know, what these are. So that's why I read about all these things, then I speak. Okay, so as my topic is confidence, so confidence is just a faith in you that you can do that thing, and while doing it you can't even think once that you can't that thing. Are you getting my point? So I'm elaborating again. So I'm just saying one thing. uh, Confidence is a faith, is a belief in you that you can do that thing, and while doing that particular thing you can't even think that you you are not able to do that thing. Okay, even like confidence is I mean, whenever we starting uh, like uh, wait a second, I'm feeling like because I have to speak for 5 minutes and more than 5. So it will be like bit difficult to speak and bit difficult to as I'm just taking this challenge, so I have to be speak on continuously. So that's why it is bit challenging, but I took that challenge, so I will have to speak. So uh, of course, and the like as I described, like about hesitation and consistency, all these problem are interlinked, interlinked. Like if you wanna be if you wanna be full of confidence, then you have to be you have to be maintain your consistency. Of course, like if you do a work again and again, then you have to be confident about that work, and you even why you feel like you don't even think negative about that particular thing. So, and whenever you whenever you feel confident, then you didn't feel you don't feel hesitate. So this is the thing. Okay, so of course I'm just telling these things, like confidence, like you have to be confident while doing any work, and don't be feel hesitated, and be consistent while doing any work. And if you want to start new things, then you can do. And that's what I want to say. And so means I what I did, I interlinked all three hurdles in the journey of spoken English. And so you have to be confident, remove your hesitation, and you have to be full of confidence so you can go with the flow, and you can achieve your goal and what you want to do. So as I am doing, okay. So and if you want to, like, of course I'm doing mistakes also, so sorry. And thank you for being with me. And okay, thank you.